Hello students, welcome to Chemistry World. This video is for BSc second semester students. The chapter is thermodynamics. The topic today we'll discuss about heat capacity. What is heat capacity? Heat and heat capacity both are two different terms. Both are not same. Both are not same. हिट कहले कौन बुझीबा heat is heat is form of energy form of energy form of heat is one type of energy form energy in thermodynamics. We know that about this. Thermo means heat, dynamics means motion, transfer means thermo energy transfer. Energy one form is heat, energy different form. It may be heat, it may be work. So heat कहले कौन बुझीबा heat is form of energy, but heat capacity is different from heat. That means so what is heat capacity? What is heat capacity? This is one type of substance. This is any substance. This is any substance. If we apply heat, যদি ଆମେ heat apply କରିବା, it is Q heat. This is heat. Heat apply କରିବା, then this substance has temperature. এই substance ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ temperature ଥିବ, ଯେତେବେଳେ heat apply କରିବା then temperature changes. When heat is applied to this substance, then temperature of this substance changes. That means Q change by change temperature, or temperature is changed by applying heat. Q is heat, but what is heat capacity? It is the amount of heat required to change the temperature of the substance, then the ratio of amount of heat required and temperature is called heat capacity. That means amount of heat, suppose apply heat is dq, then temperature dq amount of heat apply kali, যদি dq amount of heat apply kariba to the substance, then temperature must change from T1 to T2. When you applied dq amount of heat, to the substance, then temperature of that substance changes from T1 to T2. The ratio dq by the change in temperature T2 minus T1 is equal to heat capacity. So understood? This is heat capacity. So देखो हम कौन कले suppose consider a substance suppose consider substance. This is substance initially in initial state the temperature is T1. Temperature is T1. When heat is applied, when dq heat is applied to this substance, then temperature changes to T2. Because you applying heat, the temperature of the system, the substance increases. It changes from T1 to T2. So now the ratio of dq by T2 minus T1 change in temperature. This is initial temperature with final temperature is equal to heat capacity is equal to heat capacity. That is denoted by C. That is denoted, sorry. That is so Cu is equal to C is equal to you can write dq by T2 minus T1 is equal to dq by dt. This is heat capacity. This is heat capacity. So definition लिख definition में कौन लिखिबा definition में कौन लिखिबा definition कौन लिखिबा में the amount of heat the amount of heat required or needed required the amount of heat required for a substance for a substance for a substance to increase its temperature. The amount of heat required for a substance to increase the temperature from from T1 to T2, then the ratio of applied heat with temperature change is called heat capacity. The amount of heat required for a substance to increase the amount of heat ମାନେ ଉନିପରେ ଆମେ କଣ ନା the amount of heat ହେଲା କେତେ ନା dq amount of heat the amount of heat dq amount of heat required for a substance to increase the temperature from T1 to T2, then the ratio of applied heat with temperature change is called heat capacity. That is C is equal to dq by T2 minus T1 or dq by dt. This is heat capacity. याको लिखि दियो नोट कर दियो देन हम आगो को जिबा देन नेक्स्ट देखिबा You can modify this definition. You can write another definition from this equation. ये लिखी दियो. Okay? बुझिपारल? सागु बुझिबा? चलो. So see here. मैं कौन पढ़िले? ଆମେ କଣ ପଢିଲେ c is equal to dq by dt. c is equal to dq by dt. When or you can say or dq is by t2 minus t1. When t2 minus t1 is equal to 1, then temperature difference is equal to 1. Then 1 degree temperature बढ़ी. T1 ଯେତିକି ଥିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ T2 ହେଇଛି କଣ ହେଇଛି ନା 1 degree temperature rise. That means dt is equal to 1. So here we put this value in this equation, then you get c is equal to dq by 1. So c is equal to dq. Heat capacity केतेबेले समान हबो हीट सहित जेतेबेले टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 1. टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 1. दैट मींस 1 degree टेम्परेचर 1 degree टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करिया पाई 1 degree टेम्परेचर कहार सब्सटेंस रो 1 degree टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करिया पाई जेतिकी अमाउंट रो हीट आवश्यक हैला that is heat capacity. Substance रो टेम्परेचर जहा थिला T1 थिला सेथिरु 1 डिग्री इंक्रीज करिया पई जेतिकी अमाउंट रो हीट देले that is heat capacity. ताको लिखि दियो. देन डेफिनेशन लिखिया. डेफिनेशन कोन हबो डिफाइन करिया जदि कोन हबो ताले to define this value, then you can write you can write this definition again. The amount of heat required or taken by the substance to increase its means that substance temperature by 1 degree is known as heat capacity. So we can write the amount of heat required to the substance the amount of heat required to the substance to increase the temperature heat required to increase the temperature of the substance by 1 degree. The temperature of that substance by 1 degree. I mean the amount of heat required to the substance to increase the temperature by 1 degree. You can write by 1 degree is known as the amount of heat required to the substance to increase the temperature by 1 degree is known as heat capacity. Heat capacity, that is C is equal to dq by dt, then dt is equal to 1 hele, then C is equal to dq. This is another definition to define the heat capacity. So write in your notebook, लिखिए आपको, then आगू बुझियो आमे लिखिदेल आगू बुझिबा. So heat capacity जानिगले important point. Note that one important point. Note that one important point. Heat capacity. Sorry, heat capacity is extensive property. Is very important point. Is extensive property. All you know that what is extensive property. Extensive property କହିଲେ this property depends upon the mass of the system or the amount of the system. The property which depends upon the mass of the system or amount of the system is called extensive property. Heat capacity mass ଉପରେ depend करे, means ଯଦି ମୁଁ କହିବି ଗୋଟିଏ ଗ୍ଲାସ ପାଣିକୁ ଗରମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେତିକି ହିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲାଇ ହବ, ଯଦି ଗୋଟିଏ ବ୍ୟାରେଲ ପାଣି ନେଇଯିବି, ଫୁଲ୍ ବଡ଼ କଣ୍ଟେନର, ଯଦି ବି କଣ୍ଟେନର, ଏଥିରେ ଯଦି ପାଣି ମୁଁ ଗରମ କରିବି, ଯେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ହିଟ୍ର ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯିବ, ମାନେ ଅଧିକ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟର ହିଟ୍ ଏଠି ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ପଡ଼ିବ। ଏଠି ପାଣି କମ ଥିଲା, ଏଠି ପାଣି ଅଧିକ ହେଇଗଲା, ତାମାନେ ପାଣିର ମାସ୍ ବଢିଗଲା, ମାସ୍ ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି। ସୋ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ କଣ, ହିଟ୍ କାପାସିଟି ଇଜ extensive property. Heat capacity is, right in your notebook, heat capacity is extensive property. So आगू ଯିବା, ଦେଖ ଆମେ ଶୁଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ ସବୁବେଳେ specific heat capacity. What is specific heat capacity? ତେଣୁ ଦେଖିବା specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity कौन? Specific first, specific word ଆସିଲା ମାନେ specific heat capacity, specific resistance, specific conductance, ଯାହା ବି specific ଆସୁ, always intensive property. So first ବୁଝିବା what is specific heat capacity. Heat capacity of 1 gram of substance. I mean, if the amount of substance, if the amount of substance is 1 gram, ध्यान दे प्लीज, if the amount of substance is 1 gram, substance amount 1 gram होइथिबो, then the heat capacity is called specific heat capacity. Then heat capacity is called specific heat capacity, specific heat capacity, specific heat capacity, heat capacity. ओके ताने गोटे ग्राम सब्सटेंस रो हीट कैपेसिटी को कुआ जाय कोन स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी ये गोटे सब्सटेंस ये केते बड़ भी हेताउ गोटे केजी भी हेताउ मोर 1 केजी सब्सटेंस मैं ई सब्सटेंस रो 1 ग्राम पई जति की हीट दरकार to increase the temperature of 1 gram substance is called specific heat capacity. 1 gram substance रो heat capacity को कहा जाए specific heat capacity. Similarly, what is molar heat capacity? The amount of substance is 1 mole. If amount लिखि दियो amount of substance यदि 1 mole होइथिबो 1 mole substance रो amount 1 mole amount रो substance रो जो heat capacity थाए is called molar heat capacity. The word आगु बहुत यूज हो पहले ध्यान दियो molar heat capacity. 1 mole substance रो heat capacity कहा जाए molar heat capacity. 1 gram substance रो heat capacity कहा जाए specific heat capacity. So आपको लिखि दियो पहले ये नोटबुक रे लिखि दियो आपको देन आगु जिबा देन देखिबा heat capacity there are two types of heat capacity depending upon the process there are two types of heat capacity. So देखिबा कौन कौन heat capacity अछि heat capacity. There are two types of heat capacity. Number one, Cp. All you know that. What is CL heat? Here constant pressure. Heat capacity at constant pressure. Heat capacity at constant pressure. This is one type. आमे कहिले कोन प्रोसेस ऊपर डिपेंड करी हीट कैपेसिटी टू टाइप्स प्रोसेस कहिले at constant pressure at constant temperature anything at constant volume माने देखिए हम कौन सी पाथ ऊपर डिपेंड करी प्रोसेस कहिले पाथ को बुझिबा ताने डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द पाथ heat capacity two types the Cp number 2 CV जदि पिले कौन सी डाउट आछे देन कमेंट करो को मते कोजे डाउट अछि कोन अछि CV means कोन what is CV heat capacity at constant volume heat capacity at a constant volume. There are two types of heat capacity at constant pressure, heat capacity at constant volume. जेतले सिस्टम वेरिएशन रो वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट करूचंती सब्सटेंस वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट करूचंती तार हीट कैपेसिटी कोन सीवी हीट कैपेसिटी कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम जेतले हीट कैपेसिटी और सब्सटेंस रो प्रेशर कांस्टेंट रखुचंती हीट कैपेसिटी at constant pressure. Also you can say CV means what? CV means heat capacity at constant volume. or you can say heat taken by the system at constant volume. Heat taken by the system at constant volume heat taken by the system at a constant volume. The heat capacity at a constant volume, the heat taken by the system at a constant pressure, that is Cp. So first देखिए what is Cp, what is then next what is Cv. Cv कहले कौन बुझिबा, Cp कहले कौन बुझिबा. First बुझी दियो, first बुझियो देखो very important. Here important is that Cp, here Cp and Cv. Cp କହିଲେ କୌଣସି ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ହେଇଛି, ଗୋଟେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ପିଷ୍ଟନ ଲାଗିଛି, ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ଗ୍ୟାସ୍ ଅଛି, some gas is put here. When heat is applied, see here, when heat is applied to this system, if here consider constant pressure, ଯଦି ଆମେ ପ୍ରେସର କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରଖିବା then କଣ ହବ, ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଏକ୍ସପାନ୍ସନ କରିବ, this expand to here. ନହେଲେ ଆମକୁ କଣ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ, ଆମ ଉପରକୁ ନେଇକି ଯିବାକୁ ପଡିବ, କାରଣ ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଇନକ୍ରିଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି then ପ୍ରେସର କଣ ହବ, କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ. ହିଟ୍ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲେ energy of the system increases, energy of the system increases. So you have to expand the piston. ଆମେ expand କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ ବଢେଇ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି, ପ୍ରେସର କଣ ହବ, କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ. This is heat capacity at constant pressure. ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା, consider system, this is fixed. When heat is applied, then the energy of the system increases. That means temperature increases, but there is no expansion takes place. ଆମେ ଆଗରୁ ପଢିଛନ୍ତି at constant pressure the total heat content, ମନେ ପକା, at constant pressure the total heat content of the system is called enthalpy. All we know that at constant pressure the total heat content of the system is enthalpy. At constant volume the total energy or heat content is called what, internal energy. যদি constant volume, here volume constant କରିବା, ଯଦି volume v keep constant, ଯଦି v is equal to constant, applying heat, the internal energy system changes. When pressure is constant, applying heat, then enthalpy changes. So you can say Cp କୁ ଆମେ study କରିବା, Cp first Cp କରିବା, then Cv. So first is Cp, then we'll study Cv. What is Cp? What is Cp? Then we study Cv. ଯଦି କହିବା ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା, ହିଟ୍ Cp କୁ डिफाइन କରିବା, Cp କଣ ଲେଖିବା ଆମେ, ସରି Cp କୁ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବା, Cp କଣ, heat taken by the system at constant pressure. जदि आम हिट दौरान सिस्टम को एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर रे व्हाट हैपेंस heat taken by the system at constant pressure. What happens? Will increase the enthalpy, increase the enthalpy of the system of the system. Heat apply kale at constant pressure re ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି at constant pressure the heat content is enthalpy. So enthalpy changes. So Cp କହିଲେ କଣ? Enthalpy change by applying heat taken by the system at a constant pressure. They increase the enthalpy of the system. That means see here. That means from first law of thermodynamic, from first law, we know that from first law, I will notebook heat taken by the system at constant pressure will increase the enthalpy of the system. Cp କହିଲେ କଣ ବୁଝୁଛି heat taken by the system at constant pressure will increase the enthalpy of the system. Similarly, ଯଦି ଆମେ ତାକୁ derive କରିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଦେବା ଦେଖ Cv କଣ? Cv also heat taken by the system at constant volume will increase the what? Internal energy of the system. So right, Cv କହିଲେ କଣ ବୁଝିବା? Heat taken by the system at same at constant volume केवल प्रेशर जागा वॉल्यूम नहीं जाएगा constant volume will increase the what volume constant कौन चीज है वो internal energy these term both term are very important internal energy of the system. Typically, heat taken by the system at constant volume will increase the internal energy of the system. Cv related to internal energy. So you can write one important point. सीधा हम लिखिदेवा कौन एठी जे तुम चाहिए पॉज करी नोट करि पारिबो फास्ट बुझिया चेष्टा करो very important the basic heat capacity basic start करछंती ध्यान दियो कौन कहले Cv का सहित रिलेट करछि Cv रिलेटेड टू इंटरनल एनर्जी yes or no internal energy Cp related to enthalpy Cp related to enthalpy these both terms very important why I'm very confused ଯଦି ଆସିବ ଦେଖିବା what is Cv ର Cv equal to କେତେ फास्ट मन रखिए कर Cv कहिले Cv काहाକୁ रिलेट करे ना इंटरनल एनर्जी Cp related to enthalpy केमती देखिबा फास्ट Cv कहूची केमती Cv देखो from first law of thermodynamic from फास्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स कौन थिला ना डी यू इज इक्वल टू डी क्यू प्लस डी डब्ल्यू मन रखिथे पिलाटी u is the state function q and w are path functions d लिखी होबनी बट जनरली हम सुविधा पर d नौचंती d q d w लिखिबाटा होची भूल ये तो बहिर लिखि दे पिले कि या पर कोन दिया हुए ना इनकार दिया हुए क्रॉस d क्रॉस d w काहे कि नहीं बनी काहे कि w वर्क प्लस चेंज होनी चाहिए वर्क चेंज होई न था যদি এই মার্ক ଏଇଠି ଥୁଆ ହେଇଛି ମାର୍କଟା ଏଠି ଥୁଆ ହେଇଛି ଯେନ୍ ତାର କୌଣସି ୱାର୍କ ନାହିଁ ସେ କୌଣସି ୱାର୍କ ଡନ୍ କରୁନି ସେ ଗଲେ କିଛି ୱାର୍କ ଡନ୍ କଲା ତାର ୱାର୍କ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଲାନି ୱାର୍କ ଡନ୍ ହେଲା ସମ ସୁବିଧା ପାଇଁ ୱାର୍କ ଇଜ ପାଥ ଫଙ୍କସନ ୟୁ ହି ଅଲସो ପାଥ ଫଙ୍କସନ path functions are never changed so our ସୁବିଧା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଲେଖୁଛୁ dq dw d is equal to dq plus dw so dq is equal to you can write dq is equal to d sorry you can write dq is equal to ये इनपुट वन है कौन जो du minus dw du minus dw w again dw is equal to here dw is equal to minus pdv work done is equal to minus pdv so you can put dq is equal to du minus pdv minus pdv so at constant volume dv is equal to 0 dv is equal to 0 so dv equal to 0 hale then this equation become what is equation dq is equal to this term becomes 0 so dq is equal to du dq is equal to u केतेबेले constant volume at constant volume dq equal to du then बुझबा देखो then कौन होगा so you know that cv is equal to what cv is equal to कौन थिला हमरो sorry c equal कौन थिला हमरो dq by dt dq by dt dq what du so you can write केतेबेले constant pressure so constant volume you can write cv is equal to कौन होगा dqv by dt cv is equal to our constant volume कौन जो dqv by dt dqv केते du so cv is equal to du by dt this is very important heat capacity constant volume is equal to change in internal energy with respect to temperature note down this लिखि दे प्लीज अब तापर हम आगो जीवा लिखि दियो लिखि दिलो अब जीवा last final compile cv is equal to du by dt also you can write हमको कौन मिला cv is equal to du by dt this is internal energy this is temperature so you can write here du is equal to cv dt du is equal to cv dt this is for 1 mole of ideal gas, 1 mole of ideal gas. For n mole, you can write du is equal to n Cv dt. This formula is very important for problematic problem calculation ପାଇଁ ଏ formula ବହୁତ important. So write this value in your notebook. Then ଆଗକୁ ଯିବା. Then derive କରିବା Cp. Cp is equal to କେତେ? This is Cv, then Cp. Cv is equal to d by dt v. Cv equal to d by dt v. d is equal to Cv dt. d is equal to Cv dt. For 1 mole of ideal gas, d is equal to Cv dt. For n mole, d equal to n Cv dt. Then what is Cp? Cp, what is Cp? Cp कौन? Cp कौन? Cp ଆମେ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ କଣ? Cp କୁ କଣ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ? Heat taken by the system at constant pressure will increase the enthalpy of the system. ये काहाकू रिलेट करे? Related to enthalpy. Cp related to enthalpy. Cp enthalpy को relate करे. So you can write C. You can write. How can you derive? इनको derive करिया पे देखो. As we know that H is equal to U plus PV. जानते हो पहले H is equal to U plus PV. H is enthalpy, is internal energy. This is pressure and volume. H is equal to U plus PV. The Gibbs equation. What is your first class? First class में पढ़ी सो. At constant pressure. Pressure constant करते then कौन जो at constant pressure and differentiate this equation. जब हम लोग differentiate करीबा dH is equal to or delta H. You can write small change in or delta H. So dH is equal to du plus here first play constant pressure current first. H equal to U plus PV. H equal to U plus PV. Pressure constant करनी यानी और देखिए अपन pressure constant करिया H equal to U plus PV. इधर को differentiate करिया differentiate this equation. Your H is variable, U is variable, P is variable, V is also variable. Then what happens? dH equal to du plus PdV plus VdP. dH equal to du plus PdV plus VdP. At constant. So dH equal to du plus PdV. Your mathematical rule, product rule. What is the product rule? PdV plus VdP. Again, see here. du plus PdV. du plus PdV. What is this? पढ़िथिले फास्ट थर्मोडायनामिक कौन थिला ना dq minus plus PdV is equal to ये फास्ट ला कौन थिला फास्ट ला थर्मोडायनामिक्स फास्ट ला लिखा du is equal to dq plus डी डब्ल्यू और क्यू प्लस डब्ल्यू कहती डी क्यू डी डब्ल्यू चेंज हो पारे पाथ फंक्शन कहीं कही ट्रांजिएंट वैल्यू मीन्स डब्ल्यू जो कौन सबस्टांस थुआई कौन वर्क न थाए कहली या थुआई इंटरनल एनर्जी थाए internal energy E1 change to E2. That is change. You can write du, but there is no work. You cannot say W1. ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ରଖିଲେ କିଛି କାମ ହେଲା work ଗୋଟେ ଆମ ସୁବିଧା ପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ଏମିତି ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି. You can also write D equal to Q plus W. So what happens? What is dw or w or w? W equal to pdv, pdv, pdv. So you can write here fast law thermodynamics on killa. You can write here du is equal to dq u is equal to minus pdv. D is equal to dq. What is w? D छाड़ दिया बोले w पढ़ुଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ w is equal to होची minus pdv. First law of thermodynamics we have done is कौन mechanical work expansion work piston नहीं चलिबा एठी जो work done हबो जो heat apply work done हबो ये होची mechanical work इट इज minus pdv. So here write हमर सुविधा अनुसार हम dw लिखचंती कोन बडी minus pdv. So what happens this value they put on need plus for कौन जुड़ी dq is equal to du dq is equal to du plus what pdv pdv d is equal to dq is equal to dq is equal to du plus pdv. This value same. So dh equal to write dq plus vdp. So लिखी जाओ आगू जा कौन है dh is equal to what is this dq. So dq plus pdv dh equal to dq plus pdv. Here dq is equal to sorry on the pdv लिखिजंती एवं vdp sorry dq is equal dh is equal to ये तो पढ़े जाइए ना dh equal to du plus pdv कौन अच्छी dq plus vdp dq plus d vdp here at a constant pressure the pressure constant कौन सी dp is equal to 0. So dh कौन हो dh is equal to dq केते बेले at constant pressure dhp dkp समाधान गला देन हम जानचंदी कौन पाइथिले कौन मिलथिला हमको c is equal to c is equal to जानचंदी c is equal to dq by dt ये कांस्टेंट प्रेशर क्वेश्चन कौन है Cp is equal to dq constant pressure by dt कौन है what is dqp is this value so you can write here Cp is equal to dha by dt the constant pressure. So what is Cp? Cp is the change in enthalpy with respect to change in temperature. Cp equal to dH by dt P. Cp is equal to dH by dt P. वो बहरे कौन आपको लिखा है डिफरेंशियल dH by dt मेनली यूज करना ठीक है पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव इज द राइट आंसर पार्शियल हेलो फाइनली हम कौन पाइले फाइनली रिजल्ट हमको कौन मिलला finally we get that formula हमको CV is equal to du by internal energy dt at a constant volume. Cp is equal to du sorry dha dha by dt at a constant pressure. ये कन्फ्यूजन बहे गोटे बहे लिखी कोन ये भी ठीक हे परियो हम लिखे पार्शियल डी डो डेल डेल यू बाय डेल टी कांस्टेंट बी डेल एच बाय डेल टी एट कांस्टेंट टी ये ठीक हे परियो कारण कौन सी वेरिएबल हम कांस्टेंट करछंती कौन सी वेरिएबल हम फिक्स रखुचंती देन कंप्लीटली डिफरेंशियल इज कन्वर्ट टू पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल बहुत इंपोर्टेंट मन पले जदि कौन सी वेरिएबल को हमें कांस्टेंट रखुचंती कौन सी वेरिएबल को कांस्टेंट रखुचंती देन दिस इज कंप्लीट डिफरेंशियल इज कन्वर्ट टू पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल यू कैन राइट आल्सो हियर ये भी प्राय बहे लिखा होची ये भी परिबो किछि बुरा होनी so this is cv or cp and finally you get cp is equal to dha by dt also dha equal to cp dt dha equal to cp dt one mole पहले one mole पाई n mole पे कहजो dha is equal to na cp dt for n mole of gas में जो dha equal to na cp dt ये जो रोइला आपको बॉक्स कर प्ले यूज कौन कैमरा से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करियो ये बहुत कैमरा से dt this is the heat capacity at constant volume and heat capacity at a constant pressure. Then next class we will see what is the properties of heat capacity. Heat capacity ର କିଛି property ଅଛି कौन से property and what is the relationship between Cp and Cv. In next class we will discuss about what is the relationship between Cp and Cv. So next class हम देखिबा आज नहीं ठीक है थैंक यू